Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 when it won't launch on Windows 10 or 11 PCs. Whether you're frustrated because the game keeps refusing to start, or you simply want to jump back into the action without delays, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to get it running smoothly. First, open your Steam library and find Black Ops 6. Right-click on it, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will automatically check for any missing or corrupted files and fix them, which often solves most launch problems. Next, open Task Manager by typing it in the search bar. Head to the Details tab, scroll down to find Steam. .exe, right-click it, and select End Process Tree. Confirm it to fully close Steam processes. Then, go back to Search, type Steam, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. And try launching Black Ops 6 again. To make sure your system is fully ready, open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers to ensure your GPU drivers are fully up-to-date. Outdated drivers are a common reason games won't launch. Once you've completed these steps, your game should launch without any issues. It's also a good idea to restart your PC after updating drivers or reinstalling the game. This helps everything run smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to get Call of Duty Black Ops 6 up and running on your PC without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If this helped, share it with a friend who's stuck. Why not make their day a little easier?